Foucault now decides to up the ante and question such categories as science, literature, philosophy, religion, history, fiction, politics. He points out that literature and politics are recent categories which can be applied to the past only by retrospective hypothesis. His point is that literature and politics, as we understand those terms, did not exist in the past. And when we apply these terms to medieval culture or classical culture, it is only by retrospective hypothesis. Similarly, politics or philosophy or science in the 17th century was very different from these things in the 19th century. We unquestioningly speak of these categories as if they always existed in the same manner. But the fact is that science, as we understand it now, is very different from science in the Middle Ages and science in the classical age. Thus, Foucault demolishes the categories of science, literature, philosophy, religion, history, fiction, and politics as universal categories and demonstrates that these categories should not be unthinkingly used to refer to cultures, refer to discourses in cultures of all periods. Foucault questions the categories of the book and the oeuvre. At first sight, it appears that it would be difficult to abandon the unity of the book, because the book is such a solid unity. It is a physical entity. It has an economic value. It has very clear-cut limits. It has a beginning. It has an end. But Foucault says that the material unity of the book is questionable when one takes into consideration a book which is an anthology of poems, or a book which is a collection of posthumous fragments. Similarly, Foucault challenges the discursive unity of the book by citing as examples the novels of Dostoevsky, the novels of Balzac. The point that Foucault tries to make is that the book has neither material unity nor discursive unity. The frontiers of the book are the title of the book, the title of the book at the beginning of the book, and the last full stop of the book at the end of the book. Between the title and the last full stop, the book is a space which is caught up in a system of references to other books, to other texts, to other sentences. Thus, after all is said and done, the book is only a node within a network. Foucault says that the oeuvre is even less of a unity than the book. It is very difficult to see the oeuvre as a unity. An oeuvre is all the works of a particular writer, all the books that share a common author. Foucault's question is, Will an unpublished draft, a draft which was never published, be looked upon as part of the aura? What about a collection of jottings? What about a notebook maintained by the author? Are they part of the aura? What about the first drafts written by the author and then abandoned by him? Can we say that they are part of the aura? Foucault, with his tongue in his cheek, observes that Nietzsche mailed postcards in the very last phase of his life, signed Kaiser Nietzsche. Should we consider these crazy postcards to be part of Nietzsche's aura? The point is that the aura is in no way a unity.